morning it is out here. I am gonna go get a sweatshirt though. It's a little bit chilly. These animals without my fence tester to make sure that I don't know if you guys saw that video where I made the mouse traps. The mice don't die right there in it, but I have seen evidence that the mice have been in there, and we haven't seen any mice outside. So, glory day. So we'll see how that's going along. Chicken's out today. Our normal rogue chicken, and then morning. These guys had cabbage too, but of course I don't see an inch of that cabbage. Gotta move them tomorrow. See if we have any eggs. No eggs yet, but it's early. Our chickens don't lay until after they eat usually. So I gotta get them some water. On the way back, I'll check in the big coop for eggs. Seems to be why these chickens get out is because they really like laying in their main coop. So Chris and I are going to catch him when he's feeling a little bit better. He had his stitches removed yesterday. Okay, how do you feel?
Well, I feel itchy.
Yeah, got your cast off.
Yeah.
Don't have to splint it, that's nice. So, but gotta take it easy still.
It'll be nice to have use of my elbow.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
Hurts on that extension though. I gotta just be. I don't know, I thought I was gonna be up to working on some fence today, but I'm not thinking that's going to be the case.
Nope. Nope.
So, I guess I'll just be itching the rest of the day. Maybe when we get home, put some lotion on all over my arm, lotion it up good, and maybe that'll kind of help with my dry skin.
Yeah.
But
also help that you can take a shower.
Oh yeah, and look at this.
Yeah.
This was the problem right here. This cast was poking me right here for the first 2.5 days. And so it's been 10 plus days and I still have that on there, almost like a scar, how bad that was poking into my wrist.
Yep.
Think about if that would have went much longer.
Yeah.
Because you can see where it was.
You would have had a pressure sore.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it was horrible.
That's why I was like, no, we got to fix this too.
Yep.
All right, cool. And his arm, because it was in a cast for 2 weeks, was really stiff. So, and he can't lift more than 5 pounds. So we'll wait until he can be a little more active to help me catch those chickens, because you almost need to have 2 people to kind of herd them into a situation. Now Mrs. Pigglesworth is hungry. Hi, girl. Hi. How you doing, my girl? Let's test your fence really quick and then we'll let you out, okay? Yeah. She's like, hurry up and give me the food. Hurry up, lady. Hurry up, lady. Yeah, I'm coming, baby. Hey, you were hot enough for you to come out. Let's get you out. To make sure that she's pregnant. And how we heat check on her is we push on her back end, and like if she was in heat and we pushed on her back end, she would stop eating and stand completely still. So if she doesn't do that over the next 5 days or more, she's pregnant. So we're hoping so. That's why we paid, $175 to get that, to artificially inseminate her. So I'm going to give her some water. Oop. Yes, her fence is hot. So that's exciting. So hopefully she is pregnant. Hopefully signs like where she goes after her food like that is meaning she's pregnant. She's sleeping a lot and just chowing on her food lately. see if we got any more eggs after I put these buckets back. Hey, look at you guys. Making a huge mess in here. Look at you guys. Look at you guys. You're making a huge mess. How are you supposed to keep clean water that way, huh? Huh? And food? You guys have been digging. It's like you guys are becoming chickens or something. Yeah. Let's get you some food and water, huh? Yeah, let's go do that. There's your water. There's your water. They say we're thirsty. They're getting big. Yeah, you guys are getting big. Yeah, now you got some more space and some more wood chips. I have to shake the wood chips over there. I don't think they even need this anymore. So I'm gonna unplug it, because they're almost all feathered now. There we go. It gives you guys a lot more space. You put your food over there. Yeah. Yeah, good little chickies. Good little chickies. Other space cordoned off because I kept them to the heat lamp and closer to the heat lamp. So that was why I had that. Plus, I was going to get Cornish cross, and that got canceled. So if you haven't seen that video, we had an order for Cornish cross chickens, which is a meat chicken, because we raise our own meat here on the homestead as much as possible. Right now we're just doing pigs and chickens, and hopefully we are working on our future expansion, which means the next level of meat that we're going to raise is probably cows. So we're working on that. But we had bought $400 worth of pig food. We had bought $400 worth of meat bird food, grower food, and the day before we were going to get the chickens, and then we got an email that day that they were going to be delayed a little bit, and so we said, okay, delayed, we can handle that. They were going to come on the 10th, and then the day after that they just totally canceled us. So yeah, after buying all that food and having 10 orders for chickens already, it was not good. So we'll see how it goes. All right, you guys, sorry about my glasses. They get dark in the sun. God bless you guys. We'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. The next video should be about me gardening and planting, getting those onions and cauliflower and stuff like that in the garden. God bless. Bye.